Hey everyone, and welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. Today I'm going to be talking to you about Call of Duty Warzone 3 and the different mechanisms behind tap to pick up items, tap to open doors, and then tap to reload your gun. So essentially what we've got right here is if I go onto my settings, scroll across to the settings cog, quick settings, go down to controller, and then gameplay. If I scroll down to my interaction behavior, you'll see that I have tap to reload on. Now what this means, as you can read, is tap to reload, hold to interact. So to put simply, because sometimes it can be quite complicated to understand the differences, is that if I shoot my gun right here, I need to reload. If I tap square on the PlayStation or a similar button on the Xbox, then it reloads my gun. If I shoot again, for example, and I need to reload, and I also go up to this loot cache that can be opened, if I tap square, it's going to reload my gun. It's not going to open that loot cache there. And then same thing here. If I go up to this loot cache again and tap square, it's not going to open it. It's going to simply leave it closed. I have to hold down square to be able to open something up, or to be able to open up a door, or even to be able to pick up a gun. Like if I tap square, it doesn't work. I have to hold down square to be able to pick up a gun like this. And as soon as I hold down square, it picks it up. So essentially it means that you tap to reload, and then everything else you have to hold down square. Thank you for watching. I hope this clears up this first of 4 settings. I'm now going to be delving in how you can tap to pick up items easily and quickly in Warzone, as that is the best. So check out my next video. Thank you.